I am on my development site for easy web design tutorials. I want to check out VP Social Ninja, and it's the same makers of Fluent Forms and other Fluent products. I'm starting to use more and more of their products. Here you can see Fluent Forms here on the side. I will now check out Fluent Forms, the Social Ninja, and it says social feed, reviews, and chat plugin for WP. So let's give it a shot. I've not tried it before, so we will see how this tutorial or this walkthrough works out. So I've searched it and I'm now installing it here, and I will activate. So a client site, they need to share Instagram feed on their website. So here I see it shows up under the Fluent Forms Pro here. So I will go to the screen and let's see what offerings can be done here. So platforms, social reviews, I see there's a lot of different things here. So let's see, I want to start by actually just hooking up my own Instagram. I don't use it much, so I added some pictures and videos to it earlier today. So let's see, activate Instagram. Connect your, so it says something about personal accounts cannot be connected. So I will see if I connect your business basic account. I have no idea. I think I just have a regular personal account. And let's see here. How about I just do manually connect an account? Okay, I can't do that. I will go out of that and I'll start again. Continue with Instagram. So you need a professional Instagram account to connect Instagram to. So what is the difference between a business account and or a personal account and a business account? Learn more. So okay, we'll need to learn about the difference between public and private accounts. And only people you approve. Let's see, public, who can see your private accounts that you follow, and on Instagram can see things I share. And on off Instagram. Okay, I'm gonna do, I will just go with then the professional account. Sure, why not? I will call myself a content producer. Sure. Okay, do next. Best for public figures, flexible content controls. Sure. Okay, next. Show category. This is suggested blog. Sure. Yeah. Done. Switch to a professional account. Anybody will see my content in search engine results, and turn this off. You can turn this off in account privacy settings. And no longer need to approve followers. Any pending requests will automatically be approved. Okay, continue. Because I want to share my feed just as a tutorial on Easy Web Design Tutorials development site. Okay, let's see, I'll do done. And now requesting access, allow, yes, I will allow. And let's see here, we're back here. And it's business basic. So let's create a template, add new template. And I see there's upgrade to pro here. So here's basically some of the stuff I've been uploading today. I work on occasion as a stagehand for Oslo Crew. So yesterday I was at the AC/DC concert in Oslo, helping to rig down afterward. Some stuff from that. Here's from vacation. Here's from Ed Sheeran concert where I also worked. So feed type, user account. How about templates? Template 1. Let's see. There's a template 2. What's the difference here? I don't see any difference between 1 and 2. There's probably some difference. I'll just kind of, oh, there's some text below here. Here we have text on the image. I'll just do that below. Okay, I select the template as number 2, number of columns. We're doing 3. Let's see, how about I do a 4. Columns gap, narrow. Sure, filters, number post to display, ascending, all posts, videos only, images only. Okay, here you show posts contain these hashtags. That's for the pro version. Hide posts for the pro version, hide specific posts, also pro version here. So posts, image aspect, ratio. How about we just do classic. Open post in Instagram. Pop-up is also pro. So it's kind of mixed of free and pro in this here. I will just kind of leave it as it is. It could just probably open up on Instagram and you click on it. Here's the shoppable feed, and that is also the pro version. I might do also a tutorial for the pro version later on. Now I'm just coming through the free version here. Header. Display header. This is the header it looks like. Account to display. I really don't have a choice there. How about I just remove the header? No, well, let's say this photo, username, full name, bio text. I don't think I added bio text on Instagram. That's why it's not showing up. Post count, custom profile photo, custom bio text. So there's a little bit mixed here and there, as I said, with free and pro things. So this is fine. How about I just go like this? I'll just remove my name and just add in it like that. So let's look. This is the desktop, tablet, and mobile view. So this looks good. I really like how it is here. Here it says Instagram template. How about Instagram template? How about, I don't know if it would change the default template or save a new template. I will just call it test. And let's see what happens. It probably is going to name it, probably called test up here, but there's not enough space for that. So that should be good enough. Pagination, I don't need it because there's not a lot I'm going to show. So we're going to save the template. And now I will just copy this. I copy this to clipboard. I am just going to add it to a page. So I will just right click here and add to all pages. I will then go to, let's see here. I'll just go to, how about contact page? So there is a contact here from here. I believe it's probably Fluent Forms in here. So I will just add this below here. I will add in a spacer. I saved that earlier as a reusable block. And let's see. I need to add this below. Let's see here. I would paste that in. Here we have the shortcode. Okay, let's take a look and see if we see it. View page, and let's see what we got here. Here is the this is the contact form, Fluent Forms, and here I have the Instagram posts. Click it, and it will then open on Instagram. So that worked really well. I will go back into the platforms area. So for reviews, here is the whole social reviews section. So basically, starting to fill out this, it will likely show up under reviews here as well. So TikTok is for whatever reason here on the left side, and also here under social feeds. So as you see, there's a lot of different social feeds that we can add in. I will now go to I see testimonials is a pro feature. Templates is an overview. Here's the template animated. I can duplicate and I can also edit templates. So it's really nice to have various templates for the various feeds that I can have here. And that means I can make a feed, save the template, and it will be in here. So notification, I can have notifications for this various feeds as well. Chat widgets, here you can see one here. And that means here I can add in a channel for a lot of different areas, Messenger, WhatsApp. So there's a lot to choose from here. So this is really nice. So I will go back to platforms, and then we can go to settings. We have settings over here. And let's see, we have general settings, translation settings. This is really nice. I really like, I can choose which of these I want to translate. And I get the power then to translate the things I want to hear. So this is really good. I like that. Here's license settings. And if one decides to go to the pro version, if that is needed. And it depends on if there are features in pro version that one really wants, then it's probably nice to do so. Because there's some testimonials, notification pop-ups, and there's something about shopping also. So here is then the manager. Let's see, this is for various roles and permission for who has access to what platform, I believe. Feed platforms. So we have the Instagram settings here that I put in here. So I can say 6 hours if I want to do that. So there's various settings for different platforms. Review platforms, and I've not done nothing here yet. Shopify by hashtags. So this is interesting. I looked at this just briefly a little bit earlier. So this has to do with the pro version. So this can really be connected in with maybe Instagram and other things like that. I see the Shoppable here. So this is interesting. Can be interesting for a few clients that I have, customers. Advanced settings. And let's see what else we have here. We have tools, export and import. So this is really nice. So this is part of the pro version. And here's then the feed for TikTok, and then support. So this is then the support area and getting some additional information, getting started. So this seems a nice overview of different links and where to get help, basically how different things work. So this is, I really like the setup of the whole plugin. It's nice and logically set up, and also having platforms like this showing enable for which ones I've added to site is really helpful. So I really like this plugin and how things are done. Thank you.